Welcome to daily flip number 48. Honestly, today's probably not going to be too terribly long because I didn't have a ton going on today. Got in and it's really not been very busy. The interest I thought I had in my Navigator, I have not heard back from the customer yet, so that's probably a no-go. I do have a little interest in my Escape over here, so hopefully we hear something back on that. That's $7,000, 2010 Ford Escape. Otherwise, I did a little more research on my AC back here. I mentioned it yesterday, I didn't show it. I came back here. Thanks so much for those that actually sent suggestions. Hopefully I don't break my camera here knocking on the building. I think there was Wesley, MPH, and then there was another username that is actually slipping my mind. The name that slipped in my mind was actually the most helpful. You gave a 4-step thing. I checked through all of them. Actually took this apart, took all the bolts out, so you can lift this up off the top. There's no switch inside here, it's something that he mentioned. There's no switch inside here. So I swapped the breaker, or not swapped the breaker, I switched the breaker off. That did not make a difference. When I came back, I let it sit for a minute. So I actually have an AC guy that's hopefully gonna be coming by here in like 30 minutes maybe, hopefully sooner because I really gotta get out of here. It's gonna rain here soon. The sky's not looking too pretty. But otherwise, I really gotta get some more cars this week. As you can see, I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna be at the auction this coming Friday, which means I'll go Thursday to look at cars ahead of time. I've got a couple in the back. I've got a Honda Odyssey in the back we gotta put a front bumper on. I've got a Chevrolet Avalanche at Mako currently getting painted. Otherwise, we have our Jeep Wrangler inside that is almost done. My mechanic's off a half week this week, so he'll be back in Thursday. We'll get that finished up. He had some things come up where he couldn't make it in, so that's kind of slowed us down a little bit, but we'll catch up there. Otherwise, that's really been my day. I made a Sam's Club run, went to DMV. Of course, I bought the essentials. We've got Rice Krispie Treats, granola bars, Belvita. These things are amazing, by the way. And of course, the applesauce for my son's school snack. So I was supposed to save the Rice Krispie Treats for the kids, but I may have already had 1 or 3. But I'm gonna be heading out here in just a moment. As soon as the AC gets checked out, hopefully it's back in business tomorrow because we've been at like 82 degrees inside all day, which we have a fan, but it's just not the best. So if you haven't yet, be sure to check out the Car Flip Roadmap. Something brand new to the Car Flip. It's absolutely free. If you are subscribed to our email list, you would have gotten an email. If you're not subscribed, if you go to thecarflip.com/roadmap, you're gonna be able to access that. Again, it's absolutely free, but it's basically my exact car flipping process. It's a roadmap to show you how to go from where you are, which is maybe you just don't have any idea where to start, to going through the process, and then how you actually go about duplicating that time and time again. So I'm really excited about that. If you are on the email list, it's in your inbox. Check your spam folder if you have not seen it. Otherwise, go to thecarflip.com/roadmap. It's going to give you the opportunity to download that, and so you'll have instant access once you put your email address in there at the website. Otherwise, if you have not liked or subscribed, I would love for you to do so. It helps us on YouTube for sure. Otherwise, hopefully I have AC tomorrow. I'll let you know, and I will see you then.